So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sweep along a path, a profile along a path. So we have a profile here, which is a circle, and we've swept it along this defined paperclip path here to create a paperclip. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that here. So let's go ahead and start a new design. I'm going to start with the line. I'm going to go ahead and click the top face. I'm going to go start in the center, and that's important. You want to make sure you note where you start your profile, your path rather, because that's when you create your profile, which is going to be perpendicular to it. You want to make sure you start in the same on the same point you started your path, so that way it looks it follows the path accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and start the line. And I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag up and to the right to start creating an arc, and go ahead and go down, and then do the same thing down and now to the left, and go up, then up and to the right, and that looks okay, and I'm going to go down. Okay, now it's not quite even here. You could of course dimension it if you want to make it a little bit more even. I'm going to say 0.25, and I'm going to say here 0.25, and that looks pretty okay to me, and I'm going to go ahead and stop the sketch. And all right, I like the way that looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and start, and notice what I mentioned earlier about the profile path. You know, our center, our point of origin for our profile path here starts in the center. So that way, when we sketch our path here for when we sketch our profile here, it starts in the same exact place, so it can sweep all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and click the front face, and this is where we started at the center point. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it out and hit the escape key. Now, when you're creating your profile or your cross section, you want to make sure that it's the right size. As you notice here, like if we go ahead and sweep this profile along this path right here, it'll probably be too big and it'll smush on itself. An error won't occur, but it'll look weird. So you want to make sure it's just the right size. So I'm actually going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to say 0.15, and that'll definitely sweep around and will not intersect on itself. So I'm going to go ahead and go into create. I'm going to click sweep. Now, as you see here, you know, our profile, it asks us to define our profile and define our path. So my profile is this circle right here. I'm going to go ahead and click path, and I'm going to define it as this, as the paperclip path right there. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and we have created our paperclip.